Hey guys, this is Sharan here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. So guys, today in this video what we are going to do is we are going to optimize our laptop and computer by disabling unwanted apps that are running in the background. These background apps are the reason for battery draining so fast, Windows feeling quite laggy, overheating issues, etc. So guys, now we are going to optimize our computer and increase our laptop and computer performance drastically. So before we get starting with our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss my video. Okay guys, now let us take Windows 10. In order to do this, hit the Windows button and then type settings. Once you type settings, open the settings. Once you open the settings, click on the privacy option and then click on background apps. Once you click on the background apps, as you can see guys, there are so many background apps, just disable them. Once you disable all of these background apps, just close that setting and hit the Windows button plus R and then type gpedit.msc. This code will be provided at the description box. Make sure to copy that code and paste it here. Once you pasted this code here, click on enter. Once you enter this software, it will show some 2 error pop-up window. Just click on OK and again it will show 1 error pop-up. Just click on OK. Once you done this, go to the administrator templates and go to the Windows components. Then go to the app privacy and search for an option called let Windows apps run in the background. Double click on that option. By default, the option will be set to not configured. You just change that option to enabled and change another option to force deny. Once you apply this setting, click on apply and click on OK. Once you done this setting, close that gpedit.msc and again hit the Windows button and then type this PC and then open it. Once you open this PC, right click on it and go to the properties section. Once you went to the property section, click on advanced system settings and then go to the performance settings and check to adjust for best performance and select what I have been selected. Once you selected all of this option, click on apply and then go to the advanced tab. By default again, the option will be set to background services. Make sure to change that option to programs and click on apply. Once you done this setting, there is a last setting to do to apply changes. The setting is at the down you can see one option called virtual memory. Click on change. By default, the option will be set to automatically manage paging file size for all drivers. You just uncheck that option and click on custom size. Now you need to change both the initial size value and the maximum size value. The initial size value will be given at the recommended bar. As you can see guys, at the recommended bar, here is the value 1848. In my case it was 1848, but for in your case the value may be changed. So make sure to check that value and type here at the initial size. In my case the value is 1848, so I am pasting here. Once you done these settings, now for the maximum size you need to open your calculator and you need to do some maths. Once you open the calculator, enter your RAM size and then multiply into 1024. In my case it was 8192, so I am copying that value and I am pasting here. Remember one thing guys, at the calculator you can see comma, so do not enter that comma in the maximum size. If you enter, it will show an error, so that's why never enter that comma in this maximum size. Once you done this setting, click on set and then click on OK and close all other tabs. Once you close all tabs, make sure to restart your computer or laptop to apply changes what we have done right now. Once you restarted your laptop or computer, you will see a significant boost in your computer or laptop. So that's it for this video guys. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Okay guys, with all due respect, love your parents, respect your country and mainly take care of yourself. Bye.